Next machine I'm going to cover is the arm curl. This is the antagonist or the opposite of the tricep extension. The extension is moving away, the curl is moving towards your body or flexing. So this is a arm curl unit. I can do this with 2 hands or 1 hand. I'm going to show with 2 hands because that's the more common application. Once I get my weight adjusted, I will fix my seat. Now my seat is contingent on the axis rotation bolt, much like the leg extension, the leg curl, and the tricep. That silver bolt indicates proper position on the machine, which is imperative for safety. Once again, I sit, I line that up with my elbow, then from here, I establish my posture, which is chest up, and I'm going to curl and then extend, contract, extend. Okay, so I'm getting is stretch in my bicep. If you find yourself doing this, too much weight. I want to get stretch, contract. Okay, slight stretch, contract. And I also don't want to get to the point where I'm straightening my arms all the way out because that could add a little bit of hyperextension, which is not something that I want to do. So I'm going to get a stretch while still keeping a slight bend in my elbow to protect from hyperextension. Really contract, working on that peak contraction and down. If I want to increase effectiveness on this, what I can do is I can really control and slow my way down, and that will increase the effectiveness of the exercise.